Some information that I found very interesting was successful initiatives. The presentation highlights examples of successful approaches and their positive impacts, emphasizing the potential for change in addressing educational inequalities. Also, the presentation provided strategies that are improving infrastructure and resources, eliminating barriers to enrollment and retention, and promoting inclusive and equitable education policies. These measures aim to create a fair learning environment for everyone.
The most interesting thing about inequality and access to education is how they are interconnected. The lack of adequate financing not only affects the quality of education, but also contributes to not making a change. Since centers defend the unequal distribution of resources, cultural and social barriers are related to the lack of equality in financing, as they often reflect inequalities in society. These obstacles require a focus on achieving equitable education for all.
The importance of equality in education cannot be overstated. It's fundamental for human rights, and it's important to implore an equitable society. Prioritizing equal access to education is crucial to make a brighter future for our future generations.
Reinforcement of social inequalities. The text also talks about limited educational opportunities that marginalize vulnerable groups. This is because when access to quality education is restricted, marginalized, communities face increased barriers to advancement. Some of these barriers are the discriminatory barriers, such as unequal funding, biased educational policies, and societal prejudices. Some way to address this sparsity is very important because there we can build a more equitable society, and we can make it essential to dismantle systemic biases and ensure inclusive and accessible education for everyone, where everyone has a chance to thrive.